Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today is June 24, 2020 and the day is Wednesday. In the earlier videos, we learnt about curves, open curve, simple closed, polygon, etc. In this video, we will learn about angles. Now here the definition of angle. An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common end point. So basically an angle is a figure formed by two rays having same initial point, like this. In this, these two indicates as rays and this is a common end point or having same initial point. So this is a figure formed by the two rays and this is the angle. So I will draw like this: A O B. Here this O indicates this is the common end point having initial point, so this indicate as vertex. This is the vertex and this is the first arm and this is the second arm. So two rays and these are also known as arms. This is your first arm, second arm, and this is the angle formed between two rays, that is OA and OP. So here the symbol of angle is this. This is the symbol of angle, and if I want to write, so I will write AOB. AOB. Here AOB is the angle. This angle AOB is also written as BOA. Where the angle has been formed, this letter should be in between the others. So I will write AOB, either AOB or BOA. So this is an angle made up of two rays starting from a common end point. So this is an angle. Now next we have interior of an angle. Suppose this angle is formed. Here I write PQR. So I will write angle PQR or angle RQP. Now next we have interior of an angle, the region of the plane that lies within PQR. Lies within PQR. So the whole region, this region is the interior. So this region is the interior and this one which lies outside, this is your exterior. This is basically about angles, interior of an angle, exterior of an angle. Now let's start exercise 4.3. Here the first question of 4.3, name the angles formed in the figure. This is the four-sided closed figure and in this we have to name the angles in the given figure. Now this is your first angle. This first angle. This angle can be written as angle A. Clear? This can also be written as we know, DAB, as an angle is a figure formed by two rays having same initial points. So this is can also be written as DAB. You can also write DAB. You can also write BAD. You can also write BAD. So in this way you can write angle A or DAB or BAD. All the three ways are correct. It's up to you. You can write anyone. So this is first angle. Now next, this is second angle, that is angle B. This can be written as angle B or we can say CBA. CBA. It can be written as CBA. I can also write like this: ABC. ABC. Now next we have this angle C Angle C can be written as this. This is angle C. This can be written as DCB. I can write DCB or BCD or BCD. Now next I have D. D. Now this D can be written as like this. ADC, ADC, ADC or CDE. So there are various ways to write the angle, so it's up to you. You can write any one. Either you can write like this way, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, or this is second way, this is first way, second way, and this is third way. You can write in any way, either this or this or this. So these are the angles formed in the given figure. Now next we have question number 2. Question number 2 is, in the given diagram, name the points in the interior of DOE, and the interior of DO is this, inside, and in the interior the point A lies. So I will write simply A, because in the given diagram name the point, and in this DOE only point A lies. Next we have EOF, in the exterior means outside. EOF exterior में point C, point D, point A. Write this point C, point A, point D. So in the exterior of EOF this angle, and exterior of EOF is CDA. Can simply, as we know that EOF is this angle, and in the exterior we have this C, this D, this A. Exterior, these lies on the exterior. We can't write O because it lies on EOF, but lies in the exterior of EOF, that is CAD. Now next we have on. So we have to write the points which lies on EOF, as we know that on means uske upar, which lies on EOF, as we have EOF, this is EOF, and the points which lies on uske upar kaun se points, and so here we have point F, point O, point B, point E. Interior inside the angle, exterior which lies in the exterior of the angle, on means which lies on, uske upar kaun se points. So this is all with question number 2. Now next we have question number 3. In question number 3, we have draw rough diagrams of two angles. We have to draw a rough diagram of two angles such that they have one point in common. Means you have to draw in such a way, two angles in such a way that they have one point in common. Suppose I draw this angle. This is my angle AOB, and second angle should be like that, so that one point in common. So if I take this point, from this point let I draw another angle QOF. If I draw in such a way, only this point is common, O point is common. So I can write that O is the common point of angle AOB and angle QOF. If you draw two angles in such a way, in this only O point is the common point. So this is your A part. Now next we have B part. 2 points in common. You have to draw two angles in such a way so that you have two common points. Suppose if you draw like this. Here you take P, Q, R. In this you have two common points. This is like this. This is okay. You have to draw the second angle also, so that 2 points common. If from this point I draw another angle like this, F. Okay, my first angle is PQR and my second angle is RQF. This is my second angle, and in both the angles, how many points are common? 2 points, Q and this R point. So I will write Q and R are common points of angle PQR and RQF. So if you draw in such a way, you can get two common points. Now we have to draw two angles in such a way, 3 points in common. So if you draw first angle like this, A, O, B, this is the first angle. Okay, you have to draw another angle in such a way that 3 points in common. If I take one point over here and name it as X, okay, now from this point I will draw another angle and let it be P. Here POA is an angle, and here AOB is an angle. How many points are common between O, X, A? 3 points. Similar as we done in B part, here we take 2 points, and in the third point let's take one more point, so 3 points in common. So I will write O, X and A are 3 points in common of angle POA and AOB. So next we have D part, 4 points in common. Similarly as we done in part B and C, draw first angle. Let AOB take as this is first point, X, Y, and this is the fourth one. So how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4. So draw another angle. You will take at P. So here first angle is this, second angle is this, and how many points are common in between? 4. O, X, Y, B. Here O, X, Y and B are 4 points in common of angle AOB and BOB. Next we have one ray in common, only one ray. Let's draw one angle, X, Y, Z. Clear? Then draw another one, W. Here first angle is this and second angle is this. So I will write YZ. So this YZ is the ray. This YZ is the ray. Ray YZ common of XYZ and ZYW. So this is one common ray. So this is all with the question number 3. So this is all with question number 3. The next topic we have, that is of triangles. As we done earlier, if we have 3 non-collinear points, and if I join, I will get a triangle. So basically triangle is a 3-sided closed figure. A triangle is a 3-sided closed figure. So as here tri, the word tri means 3. triangles, in which means in which three angles will be formed. So here if I name them A, B, C. Here if I want to write sides, in this three sides are there, that is first A, B, this is first side, this is your second side, that is AC, and BC is your third side. So in triangle, tri means three sides are there and three angles. How? This angle A, then we have this angle B, and then we have this angle C. And as we done in the previous exercise, we can also write A like B, A, C. So you can write in any way, it's up to you. So this is all with triangles. As we know, triangle is a polygon also, because polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segment, and it is also made up of line segment. So here we have three sides, three angles, and first angle, angle A, second angle B, and third angle C. So this is all with you triangles. Now let's start exercise 4.4. We have first question, draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. Means firstly you have to draw a triangle and name them A, B, C. Mark a point P in its interior. Interior means inside. So mark in the interior. Here mark P in the interior. Or a point Q in its exterior. So this is the exterior part, so you will mark Q over here. So next we have, is the point A, as this point, is the point A in its interior or exterior? Is this point in its interior or exterior? So as this is whole interior part, this enclosed, and the remaining, the outside, that is exterior. But here A neither lies on interior or nor exterior. It lies on the triangle. It lies on the triangle. So I will write, no, A neither lies in its interior nor its exterior. ना ये इंटीरियर में है ना ये एक्सटीरियर में है. इट लाइज ऑन, ये ट्राइंगल के ऊपर है. नॉर इन इट्स एक्सटीरियर, इट लाइज ऑन अ ट्राइंगल. Or simply we can say it is a vertex, as we know that vertex is a common endpoint of two line segments. So this is all with question number 1. Move to question number 2. In question number 2, this figure is given to you and 4 parts are there. First, identify 3 triangles. You have to identify 3 triangles. If I hide this AB, then I will get ABC as a triangle. So I will write triangle ABC if I hide this AB. So this all ABC is a triangle. Now next we have this ADC, second triangle. Second triangle is triangle ADC, and the third one is triangle ADB, and the third triangle is ADB. This is your third triangle ADB. So these are the 3 triangles. Now next we have, write the name of 7 angles. Now suppose if I erase this AD like this, if I draw like this ABC, my first angle will be angle A, my second angle will be angle this B, and my third angle will be angle C. If I don't consider this AB, now we have this AB. If I draw AB like this, I will get this part AD. The whole A considered, this B considered, this C considered. It is considered as first angle. This is your second angle. This is your third angle. Now next we have this portion, only this angle, this much, as A is the complete. But here if I take only this, so I will write BAD. I will write BAD. D. So my next angle is BAD. Now next we have this angle, this one. So this can be named as DAC. DAC. Then we have this one angle. So I will write ADB. I will write ADB. And the last one is this one. So I will write ADC. ADC. So these are the names of 7 angles. So this is your B part. Now next we have C part, and here C part is, you have to write the names of 6 line segments. 6 line segments. As we know, line segments means which have end points. So let's find out. This is your first line segment, AB. I will write AB. Then I have this AC, second. Then the complete BC, third. Then this, only this portion, BD. This one, this BD. Then I have this, only this portion, BC. Then I have this one, then AD. So I have this portion, I have this portion. So then I will get 6 line segments. Now next I have, which 2 triangles have B as common? As first is ABC, means first triangle is triangle ABC, in which angle B can be considered. The next we have here we have D, means this much portion, this triangle ABD, and triangle ABD have angle B as common. So here ABC, triangle ABC and triangle ABD have angle B as common. So all with exercise 4.4. So dear students, your homework is you have to complete exercise 4.3 and 4.4. Thank you so much.